Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the F sharp chord, also known as F sharp major. Locate your root note called F sharp, one key besides the F. Place your first finger there. Your next note is A sharp. Play this with your third finger. Your last note is C sharp. Play this with your fifth finger. There you have it, the F sharp chord. Now, because the F sharp chord is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion because the root note is at the bottom. Okay? To get the next inversion, simply move the bottom note F sharp all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This is called F sharp first inversion. To get the next inversion, move the bottom note again, this time A sharp, all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is called F sharp second inversion. Now you'll notice if we do one more inversion, moving the bottom note C sharp all the way to the top, like this, we will in fact be back at root note position or root note inversion, right? Just one octave higher. This is root note position or root note inversion, and this is root note inversion. Okay? And of course you can do this backwards or downwards on the piano. Root note inversion. Now move the top note to the bottom. This is C sharp second inversion. Top note to the bottom. This is, sorry, I think I said C sharp. F sharp, right? F sharp, root position, top note down. F sharp second inversion, top note to the bottom. F sharp first inversion, top note to the bottom. F sharp root inversion. Okay? Now let's do it one more time. F sharp root position or root inversion. F sharp first inversion. F sharp second inversion. F sharp root inversion. Root inversion, second inversion, first inversion, root inversion. Now to practice these inversions, simply do it like this. Root inversion, first inversion, second inversion, root inversion. Root inversion, second inversion, first inversion, root inversion. Now lastly, I'm going to show you how you can practice these inversions using arpeggios. Do like this. There you have it, the F sharp major. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.